Discover Phase 5 in Ojochal, Costa Rica. Just minutes from Playa Ventanas, these lands offer stunning ocean views and close proximity to a vibrant local community. Experience the perfect blend of natural beauty and modern convenience. Feel the excitement build as you journey through winding roads. Every turn reveals a new facet of this enchanting place, bringing you closer to your future paradise. Here in Phase 5, your dream home can become a reality. Each plot offers expansive spaces, natural beauty, and stunning ocean views, ideal for building your personal retreat, be it a modern villa or a charming eco-home. And just minutes away, discover Playa Ventanas. This hidden gem offers stunning coastal views, soft sands, and crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming, surfing, or simply basking in the sun. Explore the charming community of Ojochal. Savor the local cuisine, where each meal is a feast of flavors. From fresh seafood to traditional dishes, every bite is a culinary journey infused with Costa Rican passion. Our state-of-the-art tennis and pickleball court is a perfect spot to stay fit. Contact us now to learn more and take the first step towards making your dream home in Costa Rica a reality.